Hey guys, today we have a delicious recipe. We're making a vegetable and cheese omelet. We're starting with our eggs. We have our mozzarella cheese that we're going to use. We have butter. And of course, we have our vegetables. You choose what vegetables you love in your omelet. We're starting with our 2 eggs. Let's crack them open. Got one down. All right, we have them both cracked open, and now we want to beat it. You can also use a wire whisk. Beat it, no, beat it. I don't know what he says in it. Anyway, we're putting salt and pepper, and we're whisking a little longer. Let's whisk, beat, a whisk, a beat, and then that is ready. We can put that to the side. Let's melt our butter. You want to make sure that you have a pan that's wide enough. You don't have to use this big of a pan. I'm using it because I want a thinner, a little crispier omelet. And we put our onions in. Okay, why is this tomato in there? We got to get it out. All right. Let's saute those onions. I like to get them a little brown. Adds more flavor, the caramelization. All right, and we're adding our mushrooms. What kind of vegetables do you like in your omelet? Let me know. And also subscribe to the channel. All right, we're gonna put in some tomatoes. I'm using grape tomatoes because that's what I had at home, but you can definitely use any type of tomato that you love. And I'm adding in some spinach to finish off the vegetables. Usually spinach is the last thing because it's very quick. And now for the star, which is the egg. Use the pan to run the egg all the way around so that the egg gets distributed evenly. You want to make sure that there's a little bit of egg in as many places as possible, the least amount of holes as possible. There we go. So now we just want to take our spatula and just run it around the edge to lift the edge up to make it a little easier to take it out. What do you guys think? Should we flip it? Nah. All right, let's add our cheese. Like I said, we're using mozzarella today. I really love the mix of mozzarella and Parmesan if you have it. Also, you can use cheddar or use your favorite cheese in your omelet. And it's cooked on both sides, even though we didn't turn it over. So I'm just flipping it over and our omelet is ready, y'all. It is ready and delicious. You see that flip? That's the best you're getting today. All right, so our omelet is ready. Well, there you have it. Isn't she a beauty? Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like, you share, and subscribe. Take care. Bye.